everybody, this is Jesse from NAPCO Tech Support. And in this video, we're going to go over how to add a CA-2/CA-4 to MVP Cloud Access. Please make sure that you have the account already created in ComNet with the correct number of doors purchased. We have other videos explaining that process. Each CA-2/CA-4 panel is cloud ready. Each panel will need to be connected to the customer's LAN/internet. RS-232/422 communication is not supported. You also want to go to the NAPCO Technical Library under Software Downloads under NAPCO Access Pro and download the latest version of the Universe Utility Finder. Next on the dashboard, you can click on the Help section for Continental Controllers. When we look down for the CA-2/CA-4, we're going to set the J14 jumper to the right 2 pins and then press the reset button for 3 to 5 seconds. You can do this now. A few seconds after pressing the button, the DS6 LED will come on, indicating that the panel is in cloud mode. You can also check the Universe Utility Finder. You'll see that the panel will appear in Legacy. When you click on Discover again, it will come back showing Mode A, also known as Cloud Mode. Now the panel is ready to be programmed onto the MVP Cloud. Back on the MVP website, we're going to click on COM ports and then click on Add. We're going to give the panel a description, set the MAC address, and the time zone where the panel is located. Once all this is done, you can press Save and write Config. Next, under Configure, you're going to click on Panels and Locks, and then click the Add button. You're going to give the panel a description. Then you're going to select the panel type, either CA-2 or CA-4, depending on your configuration. The panel's address comes defaulted as 1. You can leave this panel and any other panel on that address because each one is its own COM port with its own LAN connection. Last, you're going to pick the COM ports drop-down and ensure that you are on the correct COM port. Once that is done, you're going to press the Save button. You're going to select the number of readers you're going to be using, more than likely 2 or 4, depending on the panel configuration. But if you're not using them all, they can always be added later if you're going to need additional down the road. Click the OK button, and then it's going to automatically create the readers. You can check the command status. The panel is going to do an automatic data download, and now the panel is online and ready to be programmed. Back on the dashboard, you can click on the firmware section and note the latest version of firmware available on MVP for the CA-2 and CA-4 panel. Back under the Panel and Lock section, you can select the panel, and down at the bottom, you can see the panel version. If there is an available update, click on Download and then download firmware to make sure your panel is running the latest available version of firmware. Now, just to review, we went over how to add the MVP Cloud Ready CA-2 or CA-4 panel to the MVP Cloud platform. As always, for more information, visit us on the web at tech.napcosecurity.com. Thank you all for watching.